That is a special one from Pastor Enoch, yes, to Apostle Josie Suleiman. I join my voice with all thousands, millions of ministers out there, especially the PFM Edo State, to wish you a wonderful, beautiful, heavy birthday celebration in the name of Jesus. Amen. People call you Apostle Johnny Suleiman, but I call you the seed of Abraham. Because as the seed of Abraham, you are the seed of righteousness. You are the seed that have been able to prove the evidence of God's power and miracle in this end time. May the Lord continue to grant you sound head, sound head, sound head, sound head in the name of Jesus. I want to use this video to thank your beautiful wife for standing by you. Oh my God. Without a beautiful wife, a virtuous woman, you will not be able to do exploits. With a godly wife the Lord has given to you, you have been able to touch your word positively. Apostle John Justice Suleiman, the seed of Abraham, Iyemoya say, happy birthday. PFM Edo State say, happy birthday. In our very presence, you will be celebrating 80, 90, 100 until you will say, Lord, I am satisfied. Go and do more exploits, more grace. Seed of Abraham, mothers are proud of you, fathers are proud of you. This generation, we are proud of you. Oh, go and do more exploits. Happy birthday. God bless you.